Hello, how's everybody doing? Just want to say thank you to my friend Frank, DG6OAY. Told me last week he sent me a package. As it would get closer, we'd update it via email. Frank, a few days ago, you and I were talking. You just disappeared, so I don't know if it was the DMR system, whatever happened to the internet, but the package has arrived. I have no idea what you sent me. All I can say is I'm elated, jovial for the package. So let me get a knife, open up the box, and find out what you sent me. Now I'm kind of curious what it could be. Okay, I got it opened up. Let's see what we got. It says, oh, back detector kit. Receive the signals which Leo can hear. Oh, awesome. And then a QSL card. Thank you, Frank. Oh, yeah, there's a submarine. He operates a submarine in Kiel. That is wicked. And then I take the, oh, 3D glasses and stuff. Okay, I'll have to open this up, but I know Frank 3D prints these things and makes these bat signal detectors, so back detector kit. Awesome. Frank, thank you very much. I'm going to read through what you sent, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. So nice to have good friends. Okay, he's got 3D pictures will follow via D-Star, so yes, that'd be awesome. I didn't know we could do 3D pictures over D-Star, so I don't have any personally I've ever took 3D, but look at that submarine, man. Isn't that most impressive? This QSO counts as 6 points in CW, 3 points in single sideband for MF awards. I'm not sure what MF is, medium frequency awards, so impressive. Listen to nature with modern electronics. Can't hear the cries of bats. No, I can't, but Leo, my cat, my emotional support animal, it's always looking up during the spring, summer, and fall months like he hears something above us. I look up and say, what the hell is up there? There's nothing up there, Leo. What are you, nuts? And yeah, this would be cool. I don't know if I got to build this or solder it, but that'll be fun. I'm looking forward to this.